Okay, hi there students. In this video I'm going to look at the words mongrel, mutt, moggy and Heinz 57. Okay, let's see. A mongrel is, the basic meaning is a dog whose parents are mixed breeds. A mongrel is a dog which is no particular breed. It's a mixture of lots of different ones. Okay, it doesn't have to be a dog, but it's most normally talks about a dog. Yeah, a dog of no specific breed because it's got a bit of everything in it. In the US, they tend to use the word a mutt to talk about this animal. Yeah. And then the word a moggy, well, this is the same idea, but for a cat. And then there was this really interesting phrase, a Heinz 57, which has the same idea, something that's made up of lots of different things. Okay, so this is because Heinz used to have an advertising campaign where they say Heinz 57 varieties of different pickles. Yeah, so it's saying that the origin is from 57 different varieties. Okay, so going back to this word mongrel, a mongrel. Okay, a dog of mixed or undetermined breed. You can also use this word metaphorically to talk about things that are a mixture. So I've heard the English language called a mongrel language because it's a mixture of French and Old German. Yeah, it's a mixture of the two. Maybe you could say this the mongrel architecture of this building is quite horrendous. Notice this word mongrel is very pejorative, it's very critical, yeah? And it's saying it's not good, it's a bad mixture, it's not good quality. You could also call a person of mixed race a mongrel, although this is taboo and extremely offensive, and I would suggest that you didn't use it, okay? I think the Australians and the Americans also use this word mongrel to say that mongrel stole my wallet, an unpleasant, aggressive, nasty person. Okay, so you got your mongrel as a dog. That dog's a mongrel. The mongrel started barking at me. But metaphorically, something that is a mixture or combination of different elements. Some people call the wine from Bordeaux a mongrel wine because it's made up of maybe 2, 3, even 4 different varieties of grape. The forest round here is very often a bit of a mongrel forest because they introduced eucalyptus trees about 60 or 70 years ago. And so you have the native trees, the oaks and the chestnut trees, and then you've got eucalyptus and the other trees, which makes it a bit of a mongrel. The town has a rather mongrel population, people of all shades, all colours, all characters, so it's mixed up. Another example I found was in the Yukon during the gold rush. It was very common for mongrel teams to work together, people of different races, all together. Okay, so a mongrel, a dog of mixed race. The Americans use the word mutt. This cat is a moggy. Okay, it's no specific race. It's not a Persian cat. It's not a Manx cat. It's a moggy. There's no particular race to it. And then this phrase, a Heinz 57, a hodgepodge, something with parts of from many different origins, a complete mix. Yeah, this dog is a mongrel. It's a Heinz 57. Okay. The plan we drew up was a bit of a Heinz 57. Okay, it was all mixed up. But notice this Heinz 57, very informal. I think I'd probably give it a 3.5 informality. The word moggy, I think I would give a 5 informality, use anywhere. And mongrel as well, a 5 informality. Notice this word mongrel though is critical. It's quite, it's not being nice. You're using it in a very, it's a very negative word. Okay, and then as to origin, this word mongrel comes from Middle English mongrel, which comes from the word mong, meaning a mixture. Yeah, probably linked to the English word among. Yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic mang, a mix. Then let's see this word a moggy. Okay, is, as I said, a cat of mixed race. Maybe it comes from Scottish or Northern English, Maggie, a girl, diminutive of Margaret. I don't really know why that works, but that's the origin. And then Heinz 57. Heinz is a company that produced food, and as I said, they had 57 different varieties. So, mongrel, Mutt, Moggy, and Heinz 57. The opposite of a mongrel is a pedigree dog, a purebred. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mongrel, Mutt, Moggy, Heinz 57.